Do you know what are collective nouns? A collective noun is a word that represents a group of people, animals, and things as single. Today, we are learning collective nouns for things. In this lesson, my kids use lot of visual aids to learn collective nouns. When you teach collective nouns to your kids, you can use these techniques. Then, the lesson will be an enjoyable one. Hope you all enjoy the lesson.
Hi! Collective nouns are everywhere. Today we are going to learn collective nouns for things.
Oh, I feel very tired. I want to have a cup of tea.
Mom has just returned from the market. This is a market bag. There are a lot of collective nouns in the bag. Let's see. A carton of milk. A box of tissues. A tub of ice cream. Jar of honey. A bar of soap. A kilo of flour. A box of matches. A tube of toothpaste. Let's play the game. I'm the seller. Ma'am, can I help you? I need a tub of ice cream. I need a carton of milk. I need a bar of soap. Madam, do you want a jar of honey? No thanks. Do you want a kilo of flour? No thanks. A packet of tissue? No thanks. Here's the bill, madam. I don't have money. Daddy!
I've got something for you. Here you are.
Thank you, Dad. This is my father's briefcase. He is a photographer. A roll of film. A bunch of keys. A pile of money. A set of tools. A packet of batteries. A book of notes. An album of photographs. A file of papers. A pack of batteries. A bunch of keys. A pile of money. A file of papers. A roll of film. A book of notes. A set of tools. An album of photographs. A bouquet of flowers. It is nice to keep here. There are full of collective nouns on the dinner table. A glass of milk, a cup of tea, a bowl of rice, bar of chocolate, a glass of water, a basket of fruits, this comb of bananas for me, a bunch of grapes. It's for me. Oh, I cut my finger. Don't worry. The bowl of cotton, the bottle of spirit, the tube of cream, a pair of scissors, a roll of plaster,
Limanza is getting ready to go to her grandma's place.
a string of beads, a pair of shoes, I'm going to grandma's place. Oh, flowers!